Today we're going to look at earphones from Havit Space T1. It's a hybrid adaptive noise cancelling TWS earbuds, high-res audio, spatial audio, adaptive ANC. So I think if you drag on here, and these are the earbuds themselves. What else do we get? Some information in there. Get manual and USB A to C for charge. The earbuds themselves, very stylish. USB-C for charging, the reset button, and yeah, really good quality. So I think it's like this. No, it's the other way around. LED. What is it saying there? Have it, have fun. Nice and stylish. Really like it. Let's see how this looks like. And these are the ones without the so it's like this, like Apple like touch controls. They slide in. Let me just remove this plastic. And we have magnets, stay in place really well, which is good. Don't think they have wireless charging, but you can charge them via the USB-C. So I'm gonna test them. I'll show you how the app works, how they look in my ears, and this is how they look like in my ears. Just to let me know, what do you think? So I'm just doing a quick test to show you how the microphone sounds of the headphones. Yeah, you let me know, and I'll quickly turn it off now, and then let's see how it sounds without the headphones. Okay, so this is how it sounds from the phone directly. Yeah, you let me know. See, these are wireless charging headphones, and they charge, and these are the Havit, and they don't charge. So no wireless charging. Guys, yeah, so this is the Havit app, and then you add the device and it comes up as this. I have them in white, but they are in black in here, doesn't matter. So inside the app you have the percentage on the battery of left, right. Let me open the case, see if it makes any difference, and if it shows any extras. One thing I have to say, that when you take them out of the case, it's a bit of a struggle because they kind of, the top lid kind of obstructs you. I guess you get used to that. I've played some music with it, and I have to say they sound really good, really good. So then you have the noise reduction, and there's a voice which can't really say it properly, but it says adaptive ANC, and then transparency, and it's called ambient sound. And you can hear your voice, or you can close it down. It has spatial audio, game mode, key settings, so you can just set up. So if you click once, it doesn't do anything. You can do it to go to previous. Double click, play and pause, 3 strikes, previous, and then if you press 4 times, it's ANC, and the same on the right. Goes to spatial actually on the right. Forward, play, pause, and you can have previous, but yeah. No option for the volume from what I can see. Okay, you have EQ settings, and this is the normal. And normal should be flat in my opinion, but you can make it flat if you want. You have dance, class, rock, jazz, blue, and you can add yourself, but normal is fine for me. More settings, product wearing guide, so that's how they advise you to wear it. You can change the device name, have a look in the manual, system sound settings. I put it on low. High res audio, you can put it on LDAC. When I've tried earlier it didn't work. Now it looks like it does work. So that's good, but it just reconnects. Okay, let's see. Come on. Okay. Dual device connection, so you can high res earphone test. Every time I do this test, it just says poor, so I don't know how to put them in my ears. I'll try again. You can stop the touch if you find it annoying and reset them. And then you have the left right audio balance if you want, if you need that. Volume rocker as well, and then other stuff in here. And you don't need to have an account, you can just set it up as guest. So yeah, there you have it. That's the app.